You guys should just know that your school fees is almost 200,000. Hi guys, so I just went to pick up this item from a dispatcher that just brought it. It's actually a manual. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, my love. You just woke up. Oh, the house is dark. Okay, this should do. Oh, so it's a manual pump, like I said, and this is what it looks like. The one we had just stopped working. It's actually for it's for dispenser. Toddler that was to charge me, so I just immediately stopped working. It's something that we really use. I had to just buy another one immediately. You understand? Let me show you guys the old one we used to use. This one is very good. It's still like it's good. It's a good brand. It's a good product. But it stopped pumping. Normally when there's a pipe that connects it to the dispenser, like to the seaway itself, all you have to do is just put it in and then you just on it and it will start, water will start coming out. It's very good. That I've been using for my baby since I gave birth to him. You understand? And that's like the water he drinks. But now for some reason this just stopped working and I don't know why, and I just had to buy another one. But before I bought this one, I had to ask the seller. I actually got this from Gigi, so please, some persons actually legit on Gigi, and they brought it first before I made payment, so that's very good. I know we have so many scammers on Gigi, but this one was legit. He even told me not to worry until I see my product, then I can make payment, which is very fair and I think makes his business stand out. I actually saw a lot of amazing reviews on his channel, and I must confess he's a good man. I'll be buying more from him, more things. So he advised, I had to ask him that between the manual and automatic, which should I go for? He advised that I go for the manual. This is what it looks like, because it does not need to charge. You just pump it from here and be using. So let's see. So this is what it looks like, and then insert it into. Oh, okay, so that's it. So that's it. So it also comes with this mouth. When you are not using it, you just lock it. But then when you want to use it, you just open it and you use. Really nice. So this is what we've been using for my baby, and it's been serving so far. You guys, it's a rainy day. Rain is falling. Actually, it's drizzling. It's morning. It's like 9:30 thereabouts. I came to this school to find out just by my house. I'm going to go to like 3 different schools around to ask for my baby's enrollment. I want to find out. I came yesterday, but I actually came late. I think I came like 2-3, and they were not around, so they told me to come today from 9 to 1. I'm actually here. After here, I'm going to the market. After here, I just saw these people around because it's kind of early and the weather is very cold. It's drizzling, like I said. I don't know which person will live in house Conde here this morning. But anyways, I'm here. Who is here? Because I want to go to the market from here. It's drizzling. I don't like going to the market under there. Is it open? Are they around? Okay, thank you. So it's taking me there now. Yomi Momi. Oh wow, this is what the entire house. Oh yeah, this is what place things and the rest. Mommy would love it too. Admin office. Welcome. Okay, thank you. We're out here and everywhere is cold. Okay. So that the person can actually sense sound. So you do that in English. So you don't have pressure. Hey, hope you're not picking up over you go. No wonder they were telling me to put in his scooties. No, don't worry about that. The older the better. You know that he's older, yes. Now that he's older, he will catch up. So guys, I just finished from Yomi school now and I'm going home. It's drizzling like I told you. It's really drizzling. You guys should just know that Yomi school fees is almost 200,000. Well, I know that some persons pay more, but my God, it's just foundation. I should have started it earlier for him, sure. This foundation, but no rush, no rush. It's okay. So he would be in foundation and everything is roughly almost 200,000 naira. We're ready because we want him to start school. He's going bigger than his age. I'm supposed to go to the market now, but the rain is crazy, so let me just go and relax at home a little bit before I go. So that's the update. Bye. Everybody's wet. I'll just stay here for a while. The rain is crazy. Oh, I'm still stuck in this pharmacy. Hey, I want to walk out the entire market and I don't want to get soaked. Sorry. I honestly don't want to get soaked. Not so much, sha. But the thing goes soak better. Oh, let me just do my waka small. The waka I wanted to do today now I cannot do it too. This is the promise of God. There shall be seasons refreshed from the Savior above. Showers of blessings we need. I'm stuck. Oh, rain wants to finish me. I don't know what tell me to come out of my house to go to the market. I should have just rested for this rain to stop. Mercies around us are falling. Good morning, sir. Pray for the show us weeping. I have to start looking for snacks that my baby will love because he's starting school next month in September. So I have to start playing around snacks to discover the one that he really loves, aside cheese balls and tea. No be lights. And crayfish. Sorry, goat meat. Hi guys, hello, hello. I'm sure a lot of you can hear me better now, right? Anyways, we're launching our microphone. Obviously, let me know if there's a difference in my audio. I'm really not shouting, I'm really not screaming, but I just want to be sure there's a difference in my previous videos and this particular one that I'm making right now in terms of volume audio. Right? Anyways, today is Friday, it's the weekend, yay! And I'm in my kitchen as always. You guys, I know this is actually the time I'm picking up this camera, but I've been here since I woke up. I had a long day. I knew I was going to have a long day in the kitchen today, so I kind of still slept late because Big Brother. But I woke up early. I slept late. I woke up early, so I've been in the kitchen actually, and you guys saw when I was trying to prep things to like make soup. I wanted to make I made actually oha soup and I steamed the fish that I'll just make stew later on. For some reason, I've been craving Titus fish stew, so that's what I got to like make stew. I got a lot of that to make stew, and I finished. Why is there fly in my kitchen? And I finished. Blessing, bring shelters. And I finished making the oha soup like you guys saw, and is the fish stew that is remaining. Anyways, I just wanted to make this video to let you guys notice if there's a difference in my audio. Let me know because I'd love to know. I would really love to know, so I'll know if I should continue using this mic or not. Bring it. I should continue. Shout us so that I'll continue to use this mic. My hand is paining me, shall, because because I'm holding it, so my hand is paining me. So yeah, that's the update. And there's a few dirty plates in the kitchen and I want to flit this fly right now. Hold on. Oh, it flew, but it has touched it. But it has touched it, so I'm certain it's going to see. It's already staggering. Don't worry, it will fall off very soon. It will fall off very soon. The good thing is flies do not even have smell when they are dead. So you're not even going to feel like there's something smelling in your house. I don't know if that makes sense. Unlike rats. Hey. God forbid. There's no rat in my house. I've never seen and I never want to see. God forbid. Anyways, what do I want to do now? Okay, me just woke up. He likes to wake up late. He sleeps late with me and he wakes up late. His own is good though. I last night I packed the pepper soup spice that I sell. You guys, if you guys don't know, I do food, right? So I also sell like some food produce like Gary Ijebu and recently I just launched the pepper soup spice. This pepper soup spice is amazing. It smells really nice. You guys need to try it. If you're in Abuja and you'd love to try it, guys it to make I actually use that to make the oha soup very nice. Just give it one unique and special taste. And I also launched 3-in-1 Gary Jabo. Like you have sugar, milk, and granite in it. Really amazing. All you have to do is just turn it into your bowl or cup, add your water, and start drinking. You don't even need to add any other thing except you're just extra. Except you just like to be extra. Eh? Then good and fine. And then good and fine. I'll show you guys shortly as I'm going inside the house and I'm going to show you guys. But I just want to prep Yomi for the day. I want to brush his teeth and then Blessing will feed him and I'll make this stew. I also want to make masa today. I already soaked my rice down last night. I'm also use like soaked rice. So this is soaked. So this is soaked rice. I'll try and see if I can make. It's actually my first time. So you guys saw that I got this masa pan. So I got it for a reason, right? I got it to be using it. So that's what I want to try out today. I already tried out the popsicle molder. It turned out amazing. Let's get busy. Let's stop talking too much. Receipt is gone. Anyways, guys, I'm going to the market because I have an order for tiger nut milk. So client that bought before wants more, so I'm going to the market now. The ones that I had at home, I finished supplying them today. So let's go. I'm not gonna take that one, it's too small. I could give me that small thing for 300. Because I'm not get students to enter
You know how much is in them?
How much? What are this one?
This one, 40. This one, 4.
Why now? I'll say never tear. See who?
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, of every single moment. You were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make her just love you.